Technology is usually about advancements and smoother leaps into the future. But sometimes it could also pave the way for you to take a trip down memory lane and relive those long forgotten moments. Today we review one such device that not only lets you bask in the nostalgia of old Hindi classic songs, but it also lets you enjoy the evergreen super hit songs in a fun way. Here is more.
This retro-inspired device may look like the old Saregama Karwa, but let me assure you, there is more to it than meets the eye. It's the Karwa Karaoke, a portable audio player with built-in karaoke tracks, which means not only can you use it to listen to old Hindi songs, but also hone your singing skills and train your vocal cords with it. Meet Shivani Bharadwaj, a budding singer.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम, बदल के मेरी तुम जिंदगानी, कहीं बदल ना जाना सनम। ओ ले लिया दिल, ओ है मेरा दिल, हाय दिल लेकर मुझको ना बहलाना, चुरा लिया।
We rope her in to test it for us, and guess what? She ends up singing for hours. We are not complaining, she's pretty good.
कि फसाना बन गई है, कि फसाना बन गई है, मेरी बात चलते चलते, मेरी बात चलते चलते, यूं ही कोई मिल गया था, यूं ही कोई मिल गया था, सारी राह चलते चलते, सारी राह चलते चलते।
What we really like about the Karwa Karaoke is that it has an easy-to-use karaoke feature. Just power it on and switch on the karaoke mode with a simple press of a button. You don't need any external wire or internet for it to work. Once the karaoke mode is enabled, hold the microphone that comes bundled with the device and sing like nobody's listening.
लग जा गले कि फिर ये हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो।
There is a built-in speaker that generates quality audio. Interestingly, there are two mics, so you can perform a duet as well. The wireless mics make it more comfortable to use.
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे, आपकी नजरों ने समझा।
There are 1,000 super hit karaoke tracks for the lovers of old Hindi songs, and they are classified by various categories like artists, actors, and moods. You can access the music tracks, volume controls, and other karaoke related features with the help of control buttons neatly positioned on the microphones. The control buttons work quite well, but they are somewhat hard to press. We do wish the quality of buttons was a tad better. The screen, however, is of good build quality, but a touch screen would have made it a lot more desirable. Once you have selected a track, the screen neatly displays the full lyrics. If you want the lyrics to be displayed on a bigger screen, you can connect it to any TV via HDMI. While its biggest highlights is the karaoke feature, it also doubles up as a music player. The Caravan Karaoke is loaded with 5,000 evergreen songs from celebrated artists like Lata Mangeshkar, Kishore Kumar and Mohammed Rafi. These songs are not only categorized as per artists but also as per moods such as happy, sad or romantic. It also has an FM/AM radio facility. Carvaa's music library also includes the entire Ameen Sayani's Geetmala. If you want to take a break from retro songs, you can connect your personal device to it via Bluetooth or aux and play your own playlist. Like other Carvaa devices, the Carvaa Karaoke is an interesting device. It could make for a good gift for people who enjoy singing. But at 19,990 Indian rupees, we find it a little overpriced. If price isn't a constraint, you can opt for it.